app, the minimum you can withdraw is $10, and also you can withdraw it to your PayPal account. These are 9 apps that you can make money watching video, and this video is for only people, it's for those people that want to make money online. And if this is what you want to see and you want to know, please do well to stay to the end of this video, because if you click out, you will not be able to see all the things or all the apps and I want to show you, and how you can also navigate through them. You're welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 9 apps that you can make money from watching a video. The first app that you can make money from watching video is Inbox Pound. Inbox Pound is app. You can make money in this app for simple tasks. Yes, for simple tasks like watching videos and also taking a survey. You can make money in this app, yes, even beyond watching a video. There are other tasks that you can make on this Inbox Pound app that will enable you to earn more money. You make money through reading emails or searching the internet on their search page can also help you to make money. You can stream a movie for free and earn in the process, and this app pay $1.50. The second app that you can make money is called We Are 8. In this app, you earn through watching ads. We Are 8 paid you through watching ads. So try out this We Are 8 app. Try watching an ad from We Are 8 app. Like some other apps, We Are 8 is an from watching videos, but it has a slight difference from other apps. In this app, you don't only make money, but it gives you opportunity to contribute to charity. And in this app, when you earn the money, there are 3 ways you can withdraw your money. Either you withdraw it to your bank account, or you can use it to pay a mobile bill, or you can also give it to charity. That is how this We Are 8 work, and you can withdraw as low as £1. And the next app is Swagbucks. Those Swag used to have an app that help you to earn money, but there are other ways that you can also earn money on Swagbucks app. The tasks that you can do to make money on Swagbucks, one of them is watching video. When you watch video on Swagbucks app, you'll be able to earn money. When you watch a video and do some other tasks, you will be able to make money on Swagbucks app. So Swagbucks paid you by using their search engine, the app search engine, to search for videos instead of using other social media to search for your video. If you use Swagbucks to search for your video and watch it in Swagbucks, they are going to pay you. You are going to earn a point, and that way you'll be able to turn your points into money and then withdraw it to your bank account. You can also play game and carry out a survey task, then be able to earn a point on Swagbucks. Watch ads, TV trailers and more on SlicePay. SlicePay allow you to watch videos in their app. It also allows you to do a survey. It also allows you to play games, and when you do all these things, you'll be able to earn money in their app. So you watch all these videos through the app, then from there, in as much as you are enjoying yourself, in as much as you're having fun, you'll be able to earn points and make money through the app. In this app, the minimum you can withdraw is $10, and also you can withdraw it to your PayPal account. Although this app is not the quickest way to make money, because you have when you apply for your withdrawal, you have to wait for like maybe from 3 to 5 working days before you can get your money paid. So in this app, they pay you through watching video, through playing games, through survey, and through carrying out other tasks. The next app that you can make money is PriceRebel. PriceRebel allow you to earn through watching ad, and also when you refer somebody, you earn 50% of the referral bonus, and you carry out some tasks through survey, through watching video, playing games, and a lot more for you to be able to earn your prize. You withdraw through PayPal or gift card. The minimum payouts for this app is $5. That is the minimum money the minimum amount that you can withdraw. The next way you can make money is to write a subtitle for film as a freelancer through Fiverr. You could start writing a subtitle for online videos as a freelancer. We all know that to write subtitle as a content creator, it takes time. So some content creators hire freelancers to write a subtitle. So you can go to Fiverr, write subtitle for a content creators that is producing a movie, that producing a film. That way you'll be able to earn money. How you are paid here is based on what you want to charge. So you can as well go through Fiverr, check how or the price or the amount other freelancers are charging. Then from there you can be able to know what you can charge to earn money on Fiverr through subtitle writing for videos. You can also make money from film and TV reviews. One of the best way to earn money is to become a movie or film or TV review. If you are interested in taking part in psychological and behavioral studies, this could be a good way for you to make money for watching videos, and the amount you can get paid in compensation for doing the psychological studies will vary massively depending on the type of trial and how long it lasts. But you could review as much as $100 for your time. This app recommend only they recommend people that sign up for study for this review or for this job. Another way you can make money is to promote videos for companies online. Yes, promote video for companies online as well as getting paid to watch video. You could consider charging companies to promote their clips and ads online. Then sponsors posts, they are common way to make money for online influencers. Then while you don't need a huge online follower to do this, it will help you have a reasonable number of followers on social medias and other or your own blog. So the bigger your audience, the more you charge the more you charge the companies to share their content. For more info and guideline on how to make money online, please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and see you in my next video. Bye.